What if I told you that the price of BFX is about to jump again? And early buyers already are locked in 500% gains. This isn't a slow drip, guys. It is a sprint, so you gotta watch this. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so welcome to BlockchainFX. This is their landing page. Link to this will be in the description of the video. It is running a pre-sale that is structured for momentum, scarcity, and real value growth. Now guys, the token sale progresses through preset stages, alright? Now with each stage bringing a higher price, some rounds have already seen jumps of up to 500%. So you gotta go ahead and check this one out. Do your own research, but make it quick. That way you would still be able to get it at the lowest possible price when you decide that this project is for you. So once the current allocation sells out, guys, the price automatically moves to the next tier, and this built-in progression creates a natural incentive for the early participants. Now guys, scarcity is central to the strategy, and the pre-sale isn't designed to linger. So limited token availability, rapid sellouts, and programmed price increases ensure that every day matters. Now you gotta go ahead and head on over to their website, because this one, guys, has a lot of information that will definitely be very, very helpful for you to get to know them better. Now, those who act quickly can secure the most favorable rates, while the latecomers face higher entry costs. Now, to amplify the pre-sale gains, participants can use the bonus code YT30 in the description of the video. It will add 30% more BFX tokens to your purchases. Now guys, that offer is exclusive to the pre-sale period. So once the token launches, the bonus already disappears along with the lower prices. Now what drives the surge of interest is not the empty hype, but a combination of market mechanics and proven product readiness. Now guys, BlockchainFX already operates a live trading platform that is handling crypto. You have stocks, you have ETFs, you have options, and a lot more. And with the real users, real volume, and that daily revenue flowing back to the BFX holders in USDT already. So the investors are responding to the transparency of stage-based pricing and the urgency that is created by token scarcity, as well as the upside of a functional revenue generating platform. Now guys, with the demand rising and the allocations moving fast, the BFX presale rewards decisive actions and positions early adopters for significant potential gain. Now guys, don't chase after the pump, all right? Get ahead of it. Now guys, of course, I would strongly suggest that you head on to their website. That way you would be able to do your own research and head on over to their white paper, okay? It will give you a ton of information that will help you out in getting to know the project better, getting to know the platform better, on who they are, what are the benefits, what are the advantages, what are the value propositions that they are offering to the users. And of course, guys, now once you are already in the website, you could connect your wallet and you could click on that dashboard. You will see your total portfolio on the BFX launch. You see the wallet address that you have connected, the BFX, the bonus BFX, okay, the BFX rewards, the USDT rewards, and the trading account credits all are here. Of course, the referral bonus is also available for you. So if you can refer your friends or your family that is also looking for, an investment or something that you would like to get invested in that will actually give you passive income, then this is one thing that I would strongly recommend, checking out. Of course, have them also do their own research. That way, they would also know what they're getting themselves into. All right, guys, so this is how it's going to look like once you are logged in to your BlockchainFX account. So up on the top right, guys, is where you can deposit. So if you click on that one, it will let you top up your real account or fill up your practice account. So that is actually what I also really like about BlockchainFX is they have all the tools that you need, especially if you're still a beginner. I would head on over to the video tutorials right away and watch all the videos that they have here, because this will definitely be very, very helpful for you to learn more on your trading journey, and then use the practice account. And then, of course, once you are already comfortable, you can head on over to your real account. So you also have your total portfolio here. If you click on that one, it will show you this. Okay, you have the pending and you have the margin. All right. And you also have your trading history. So for those of you that like to take note of all their trading history, you will have them there for you to get back to and see and review, how well you have traded. Like for this one, you have like the plus $21. Wow, that's nice. Okay, so you have your chat and support. So if you have any questions, issues, concern, you will be able to coordinate with the staff that will then be able to help you out with all your concerns. You have the chat support, and you also have the chat button down below. Okay, so you can click on that one, and you have the market analysis. Now, not all trading platforms have this, guys. This is one thing that I also really, really love about BlockchainFX is they have all these. Okay, you have, when you click on it, it will give you more analysis on that. So you have for Daily Mail UK, you have Active Forex. You also have Cointelegraph. So those things I would strongly suggest that you utilize, guys, because that is something that will definitely be very, very helpful. And then up on top, if you click this chart layout, you will be able to choose how many charts you will see on your screen. So for some of you there that are hardcore traders, you could select 1 chart, 2 charts, 3 charts, 4 charts. You even have more grids here. So you could take advantage of those when you log in. All right. So you go ahead and check this one out, guys. I would strongly suggest that you try this one out, because it's already live. That is something that you really need to explore with BlockchainFX. So go to BlockchainFX, guys. Link to this will be in the description after the video. Use that code YT30 and lock in your BFX tokens before the next pre-sale price increase lands. All right, so if you are new to the channel, guys, hopefully you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That will always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.